juice, I got the sauce. He call it thick when like it be running for a cause. He put it in his face, I call this nigga World of Oz. Call me sweet chaos for all the problems I done caused.
What are we making right now?
I mean, these right here are some of our homemade traditional it's turkey bacon. No, it's turkey and bacon. So you know, it's not turkey bacon.
Turkey
With some onions, you know what I'm saying? And we're about to stuff these here funnel cakes. This is a tradition that we made.
Starting.
Yep, we encourage people to do this shit. We ain't seen it on YouTube or nothing. We just got high and had a good idea. So
We got high and hungry.
we're gonna call this first episode High and Hungry. I'm gonna give y'all the recipe on how we make this happen. You know, so y'all could try this at home. But don't sit here and try to say y'all started this, because clearly we started this. First thing you gotta do is get yourself a clean pot and some clean utensils. And so first thing you finna do, you clean your soap. You don't clean your soap, you clean your dishes with soap. That's what you're gonna do. First thing to do, clean your shit. Now you go ahead and you get yourself some ham. This ham right here. We actually finished a pack of it. It's the honey ham. It has lower sodium, so that means less salt is gonna go into your body. I haven't used this yet, but I'm finna put a little sprinkle of that in down the pan because it's been sizzling for a while, so almost actually done. Like it's a brown. You gotta have it brown because the browning gives it a little seasoning as well. Biscuits look good too. Cece's over there doing the fluffed up.
You know what I'm saying?
So after that, I chopped up some onions. I chopped up some turkeys. The turkey had the pepper jack, right?
Yeah.
That's what we had. Cut it all up. Then I seasoned it with some special seasoning. A couple of the things I use in there is adobo and black pepper, but there's some other shit that I can't tell y'all about. That's a secret. So cool, you get all that shit in there. Get yourself, my baby, what she did, she warmed up some olive oil. We use this olive oil mixed with canola oil. Next thing we do, we give it about 15 minutes, you know, back and forth, let it brown, get it going around, you know what I'm saying? When it gets to that golden brown peak, you know, your onions start becoming, you know, nice and caramelized. That is when you know it's ready. So after that, we're gonna go ahead and prepare these, and we're gonna move them over into the funnel patties. These are funnel bread patties.
Sorry, y'all, I'm doing a terrible job of vlogging right now. But quick update with what we did so far. We took a couple trips to the stores. We are preparing to shoot our video for one of our songs. So we had to get a couple prop items from Five Below plus some other shenanigans. So this is what we got from Five Below real quick. We got, ooh, this tote bag was one of them. So we got, oh, this stuff here, y'all. Yeah. We got a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna paint some of these things because, yeah, we need it to be a certain color. But yeah, this is the stuff we got. You know. We got some extra green screens too, just because we have that one. But they didn't have the version that I got the last time, so we ended up getting this one. And then we got these little disco party lights, and then these little the Hero Ninja samurai swords, and then the little, I forget what these are called, the little throwing stars. So yeah, sorry y'all, there goes Babe in the background over there. So yeah, I'm gonna go take a shower, get myself ready. He's gonna go out really quick, step out, do his little thangy dang, and then he's gonna come back and help me record and all of that good stuff. So yeah, so all right, you guys, I'm gonna catch you guys during this little process so y'all can join me or whatever. So Yeah, I need this. Ooh, I smacked the shit out of you. I'm so sorry. I got that on camera. Yo, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Yo, I smacked the shit out of him. Oh my god. All right, y'all, let's do this thing. Okay, you guys, we're trying to do a quick scene, not a quick scene, a few scenes. You know, he's changing the music with my butt because your girl shaked up on a fucking Sunday. Anyways, y'all, let's do this thing.
You know right, you know right. Can't tell you nothing, way too stubborn, way too reluctant. How can I function?
Recording.
Oh man.
Let's go straight. You're already thingy.
You know we both.
Are you? Well then, if nobody comes behind you, then go left. Yeah. Say hi to me.
Oh, you vlogging over there?
Yeah.
We out here on the vlog. You know what we doing.
Say hi.
I'm always looking at the wrong camera. I'm looking at the stop sign all the time. So right now I'm looking at y'all. And we gonna vlog.
Verge is in Miami, so
Verge,
say hi.
What's up, gang?
Yo,
He out there.
shout out to
Okay.
bro. He out there doing funny videos and shit. Check
He
him out.
is.
He gonna be on the motherfucking you know what I mean, the viral video skits with Gio, the young great. Is that what's his name?
It's Smooth Gio.
Smooth Gio. I gave him a whole nother word. Gio the young great. Smooth Gio, aka Gio the young great.
He need to post that. Stop playing.
Yeah, you need to
Okay.
hurry up, post that shit, man, because you already know.
So we'll catch you on the flip side when we get back to the casa. So bye.
Call my bluffs in. Yeah, I said I'm leaving, but I'll be right back though. See you try to cool scheme me through the back door. Why you mad for?
I can't even talk too loud because this one over here is sleeping. I see him sleeping. So yeah, I'm about to do this quick little promo video for our song. So I'm gonna take you guys with me to do this.
Why you mad for? Can't tell you nothing. Can't tell you nothing. Can't tell me nothing. Can't tell you.
Alright, you guys, so it's like 6 in the morning. Yeah, I did this quick little shoot. So, y'all can't even hear me, I'm sorry. So, Babe is sleeping right now. He's tired as hell. Babe is sleeping. He's tired as hell. He's not there. It's like 6 in the morning. I should be asleep, so I'm about to go to sleep after I close up this vlog. But, yeah. So if you guys watch this video all the way through, kudos to you guys. I appreciate y'all. And until next time, and if I have some sort of edits done with what I did tonight, then I'm going to put it somewhere in the clip at the end of the video. Whatever the case may be. So, yeah. Until next time, ladies and gents, good night, kaoticals. Or good morning. Whichever one. Good night, good morning. Bye, kaoticals.